Yo, we back, y'all. And basically from that point on, you basically just go to the store, click search, and then your currency should be in New Zealand currency. As y'all can see, you know, you don't obviously have to rebuy the game. Whatever game you already have is already there. I don't have a game right now because there's really no games out to pre-order at the moment other than 2K24. So anybody who has 2K24, y'all could try this. Y'all only can try this on games that are set time releases. Like in New Zealand, games usually released at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and Eastern Time. Central Time is usually 7. Pacific Time is usually 11. So those are the 3 different main times that I know of. I don't know about Germany and like all the other places and stuff, but I would just advise you to do a conversion to your own time. Look up 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and then convert that to your time. Or you could just look up the conversion between your time and New Zealand time, and then you'll know exactly what time you're able to launch the game for yourself. But remember this, guys, it has to be about a day, 2 days before the release date, because you have to wait until the specific time the day after to see if your game launches. Because for instance, let's say 2K comes out the 7th, but it's not the 7th where I'm at right now, right? Basically, you have to wait until the 7th their time. But remember, you're already on their time on the Xbox, so you basically, the game unlocks at that specific time. So if y'all understand what I'm trying to say, you feel me, you get the gist. Just convert your time to New Zealand time. You'll know exactly what time. And basically that's it. Appreciate y'all for watching. This has been your boy Kenzo Extra. Follow me on the TikTok at Kenzo the Brooklyn Dawn _, at Kenzo the Brooklyn Dawn 2, and at Danny Womack 0. I'll put all of that in the description. If y'all have any comments or anything that y'all want to say, please do that. But like, comment, subscribe. Like I said, follow my main channel. I don't really upload on there. Follow my live channel also, Kenzo Live. I'll be putting that in the description. So just, you know, follow everything for me. Appreciate y'all and keep stepping up.